is Ruby. My family really loves the great outdoors and we go camping every summer. So this is my kitty camper car. That was so awesome. You were so natural, Ruby. Now it's your turn, Jade. Can you say something to the Beehives too? Anything you want. Have you gone camping before? Do you like camping? What is your favorite part about camping?
I don't know what to say. I like camping too. My family also goes camping every year or so, and we also love the great outdoors. What was the other question?